Okay. The question one is related to the maximum tractive force. Maksudnya F max ni. F max. Okay, dia kata soalan dia, find the maximum tractive forces and traction limited accelerations for the rear drive passenger. Maksudnya dia rear wheel drive passenger car with non-locking and locking differentials on a surface of moderate friction level. And then the table is list of the information needed, such as the vehicle weight at front axle and rear axle, wheelbase, CG height, coefficient of friction, tread, final drive ratio, tire size, and roll stiffness for front and rear axle. Okay. So you must go back to your lecture note, okay, how to solve problem by using this equation. Nampak kan yang fx equal to blah blah blah. Nampak tak?
Nampak.
So you need to solve this problem. Okay. Dia kata tadi rear axle kan? Rear axle, so weights in front in front. Okay, rear axle equation ni. With non-locking using this equation at the top and locking with equation at the bottom. Okay, so I go back to the question. Okay, based on this question number one, okay, we need to determine dia dah bagi parameters ni, so you boleh macam weight ni, okay, dia punya simbol ialah simbol dia front axle punya weight, kita katakan WF, and then rear axle WR. Nampak kan saya contoh ni kan?
Nampak.
Nak respon? Okey tak?
Nampak.
Okey.
Nampak.
Wheelbase
Nampak.
L. Okay. CG height biasanya simbol H. Coefficient of friction new. Tread T. Final drive ratio NF. Tire size R. Okay. Roll stiffness front axle ni ialah K5 F. Rear axle K5R. Okay, biasanya soalan PXA pun macam ni lebih kurang. So you need the data given, the information to determine each parameter, dia punya simbol. Jangan silap. Kalau silap tu, silap lah semua. Okay. So, untuk drive passenger, untuk rear drive passenger, untuk kita tengok dulu non-locking. Dia ialah, ni nak cari maximum tractive force. Okay. So, F X max equal to, dia patah balik. Okay, ni mu WB over L. Okay. So new W B over L. Bagi lagi 1 tolak H L new plus 2 new R over N F T K Y F over K5. Okay, let me check again. Betul tak dia punya tu? Okay, betul This is for non-locking via solid axle and non-locking punya differential. Okay, so you just plug in all the parameters into this equation. Okay, new is semua ni nilai dia as a unit, you just masuk je. So new is 0.62 times WB over L. Okay, ada tak WB? WB over L. L ada. Okay. W apa dia? Weight of the car biasanya kita tambahlah front punya axle plus rear punya axle. Okay, L ada. Okay, sekarang ni B. B tak ada kan? B is the distance between CG to the rear axle. Biasanya wheelbase is A plus B. Okay, so sekarang ni B ada, L ada. B tak ada, A tak ada, L je ada. Ni ada. Dua ni tak ada. Kita nak buat. Okay, so you may refer to last tutorial tutorial 1 equation lah. Bila benda tu static dengan tak static kan. Okay, so saya tak tunjuk. You dapat equation dia ialah WR sama dengan W darab B over L. Nanti you semak balik Ni ialah equation dekat tutorial 1 itu. Okay, so WB over L equal to WR. So you may refer to WR is rear axle punya unit 1850. So times 1850. Okay, over. Okay, 1 tolak ni. Bila you buat equation nanti, you solve the equation, you kena betul-betul jangan salah masuk nilai. Kalau tidak rugi je. Benda je 457 darab 0.62 tambah 2 darab 0.62 0.33 okay, over NF final drive ratio 2.9 rate 2.5 darab flow stiffness at front axle 2150 over K5. K5 ni ialah refer back to lecture note. Okay, K5 is measure of front and rear suspension roll stiffness. K5 is the total roll stiffness. Okay. Contohnya sini ialah front and K5 rear. Okay. Jadi maksudnya 1150 tambah 280. 1150 tambah 280. So berapa ni? 1430. Unit dia per degree. So, sekejap saya buat ni. Aku confuse Okay. And then you can solve this equation to get the maximum tractive force for rear solid axle with locking mechanism for